Continue. Die now. Suffer with the front. Who escaped death last year go feel bad.
FunnyBone live. Aina son.
Make some noise for Chaka Chaka. Muna clap for him now. Muna clap for him now. Chaka. If you not listen, you not go enjoy him. Maurice Solomon, I see you.
Hi, Debbie. DJ, then come in, no play music now. Wow. Please, if you're happy to be here, please put your hands together for yourself. About this life, anything they do, also low. You know, say any problem, if you make person like E-Money cry, if he key FunnyBone instantly. Now, why they advise people, if you're broke this period, no feel bad though. Everybody they broke once, except your own, don't they take? Like if you have been broke consistently for the past 2 weeks, Baba Bombo, you don't they pop. Broke no the past 4 days. From drinking NSC to focusing, from threesome to masturbation, you say na low key. Baba, you don't fall. You won't whine me. Baba, enjoy yourself. Oh. Any money when I get now. At the squander them. For Nigeria, if you like, spend your money wisely. You go still finish. You know if you wise past this economy. You know if you wise past this economy. Nobody the thing no affect. Yahoo boys they complain. Hookup girls they complain. The thing affect both cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency. Everybody. You know say if now this period prodigal son do that in father for kill him. Now every day everything they increase, they play. But if you know if you continue, you see this country, if you know if you continue, die now, suffer with the front. Who escaped death last year go feel bad. Let me joke. For Nigeria now, you know if you even die, you know if you even die again, make it rest in peace. Then go still drag you. My friend will die since 2010. On Monday in spirit appeared to me. The guy don't fat finish. Peace of mind, one killer. Baba, enjoy yourself. Nothing did this like if you're financially stable this period, you don't know what God don't do for you. If you see me give cripple 1,000 naira now, just know say na me breaking leg. No go play, just know say na me break. Things don't cost now. Married men now don't they faithful to their wife. They no one shit again because they know say it's that expensive. Before the girl go know you more better, you don't broke. Nigerian girl say just talking stage, she don't tell you all her problem. I don't ask one girl before, tell me about yourself. She say her father get stroke. So man, heal your father before anything. Now wow. If you get anybody they sleep with you for free this period, appreciate the person. For Nigeria, sexual intercourse don't cost. People who get spiritual wife now don't know anything God don't do for them.
When I get more money, go try champagne. When I get
some people get spiritual wife, they still they go crusade. You want to go cast out every man's dream. Get where she come, she go just disappear, no payment.
Give me chance. How much you going to lose?
DJ, Baba, you get the kind price girl go tell you now. Now you go to explain your sexual condition giver. Girl don't tell me before now 300,000 for a night for me we get appendix. Baba see, for Nigeria now, I don't tell you any guy with he cash girl with the shit for relationship. Baba forget if he cash antelope. Nigerian girls so smart. You know say only Nigerian girl he introduce her 2 boyfriends to each other, they no go know. She go say, my love, meet my sweetheart, meet my love. The 2 idiots go come, they hail each other. Hey, Baba Alpha. Look at that. My girl, inside one room, Baba, inside one room, my girl be the shit on me with Dido. Listen, my girl be the shit on me with Dido. Inside one room, come they shit on that Dido with another Dido way big past that one. Me and the first Dido, no. Nigeria girl. Now what they tell you, see, now if he now man wey girl never do something before, they fight for girl. Now why if you carry any picture now, carry picture show Igbo man. Is this your girlfriend? In they reply you, yes, this is my girlfriend. Carry Nigerian man girlfriend picture show him. Ask him, is this your girlfriend? He go first ask you know him. Any issue? At that point, who she be to her now depend on who you will they ask be to her. Now why are they tell people if you dey in a relationship, take note, there is a difference between your man one and only and your man one in a million. Your man one and only na just you. Your man one in a million, Baba man mount now you know.
Since I was born, but now I am getting
Look at that. Now that type of relationship where your girlfriend go just post for a WhatsApp status, thank you, babe, and you don't do anything. No? Your colleagues are working. Thank you, my name is Chaka Chaka.
Make some noise for Chaka Chaka! Alright, I told you guys, he's bad.
FunnyBone Live, Aina Son.